Hi, today we are going to learn how to let users suggest, improve and vote on ideas. The CM Answers plugin creates a simple yet powerful questions and answers forum that is intuitive to use, easy to manage and similar in style to the very popular forum Stack Overflow. The CM Idea Stimulation Add-on gives the ability to suggest ideas which can be improved and approved by other users. The Idea Stimulator Add-on allows users to create ideas to choose how many approvals they need. Other forum users can then engage on and approve that idea. In this example use case guide, we'll cover how to propose a trip to London idea. Let's suggest a trip and ask 5 people to approve it. Users can still answer and vote, but will also see the approve option. When adding a question, we must set a category, choose how many approvals the idea needs, and set or not a featured image or video. Users see the question or idea with the featured image, number of approvals, and approval goal percentage. They can also approve the idea. Now that we know how the add-on works, let's fine-tune it. First, you can mark only specific categories to be ideas. This is useful for a general forum with specific engaging ideas. Navigate to CM Answers Pro, Settings, Idea Stimulator Add-on tab. First option, enable approving ideas by users. If enabled, the approvals input field will be added to the question form. The approve button and the approvals counter will be shown on the single question page. Note on only in specific categories. If this option is selected, you will be able to change the setting by editing each category. Second option, default featured image URL. Leave empty to show up the image provided by the plugin or set your own by providing the URL to the image. Last option, show snippet on the idea page. If enabled, the idea snippet will be displayed on the idea page. The Idea Stimulator add-on includes some specific labels. Navigate to the Labels tab and edit all relevant text. At the end of the page you can find relevant labels. This way you can adapt all messages related to idea management. One more thing is the question form uses the placeholder question by default in some fields. Placeholders are the helper text shown before a user starts typing on that field. In an idea stimulation environment, perhaps the word idea will be more relevant. You can change this placeholder from the label settings. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to let your users suggest, improve and approve ideas. Thanks for watching the video.